Part 4 of the CPU course series will be up soon, folks. I have a lot of data that I need to compile, and I can't progress any further than I already have until all that's sorted out, so stay tuned for that. But for now, hopefully to suffice, I have an i3-6100 PC build to show off to you. Now, I built this one, well actually my friend built this one almost entirely by himself. I was just kind of filming. I like doing that kind of thing. I've done that before on the channel. He's never built a PC before, so I'd like showing people, hey, look, this isn't really that hard. It looks complex, but it's not, and that's pretty much what he figured out at the end of this. So enjoy this one. Alright, so this is Destin's first time ever building a PC. I love doing these kinds of builds, just kind of filming and watching other people do this, because it reminds me of my first time too. And the only part you'll need is the CPU itself, so the fan you can just kind of throw off to the side. There she is, in all her glory. Alright, you're gonna put her in. So this hinge right here, push that down and over. Yep, and then just go ahead and lift it up. There you go. Okay, now your CPU is going to rest right in there. I was wondering if you were going to figure it out the first time. No, other way. Keep going. There you go. Set it right in there. Yeah, good job. All right, go ahead and close it back. And then just like that. And then now it's going to take some force. Don't be afraid. Keep going. Keep going. That's okay. Keep going. And then tuck her underneath. It's always a scary part. All right, you just installed a CPU, Destin. Yeah. Alright, CPU's installed. Next, I guess we can tackle the RAM. So 4 DIMMs, each of these holds 4 gigs of DDR4. So we're going to put all 4 of them into all 4 of the slots here. And the only thing you got to make sure that you do is line up the notch here with the notch on each of the DIMMs. Alright, now take both corners and push very hard. Perfect, just like that. And then do the rest, do the same thing for the other 3. I like that red on red action we got going on. My man. That wasn't so hard now, was it? That's pretty much like half your build right there. Let's go ahead and tackle the case issue. We have an Anodies AI Crystal that's a tempered glass case. So go ahead and haul that thing over here. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, put her on a chair. I just pissed off everybody else downstairs. It ain't light, is it? Alright, so this is a Kraken X61 from NZXT, 280mm all-in-one radiator combo. Wondering why the heck we're water cooling an i3-6100? Well, my friends, you'll find out very soon. Yeah, so we're going to keep those in there, all 4 of them. And then now this is going to be a difficult part. So this has to go up there.
Where'd it go?
Oh, the screw? I have no idea. Okay, so radiator secured up top, and this is just kind of chilling right now. So let's go ahead and install the power supply next. All we have to do is just insert this into the back of the PC, like so, and then secure it on the front here. Okay, so next thing we're going to install is this Armor 240 gig solid state drive from a Pacer. This is going to be our only form of storage in the build, but seeing as though we have 3 spaces to upgrade SSDs, and then also a hard disk drive bay down there, which you can also install SSDs in, we're going to have plenty of room to upgrade should we ever need to, but for right now 240 is plenty. Here you go.
Okay.
Looking good. All right, sweet. So we got a lot of the small stuff already out of the way. I guess what we can do next is merge the motherboard to the case. Are you ready?
Sir.
You ready? You ready? Okay, got our back plate for the G3. That's for you. Oh, I guess I'll take that. Where am I gonna put this? Where am I gonna put it? Yeah. All right, so this is gonna take some force. I say that to everybody who helps build PCs. This is like a stubborn part right here. So you're gonna put it just like that into here. Next thing, go ahead and grab the motherboard behind you. And now you're gonna orient it in the case in such a way that the peripherals here on the back align with the I/O shield, and in a way that this center little standoff, that's the one I use anyway, goes right there.
Daddy.
Hey, ain't bad. And then, yep, perfect. So let's get the motherboard screws. Hold that there real quick. Oh, hey, that's so much better. That's so much better. Make sure the NZXT logo is facing up, so just the same way the writing is, and you're gonna slide each of those hinges. No, turn it that way.
Cable management.
No. Like that, perfect, just like that. Okay, so we have the 8GB AMD RX 480 here. This is the reference cooler, and Sir Destin, there you go. Go ahead and move that cable out of your way. Oh, whoops, I had it.
It's supposed to slide in or?
Yep, so you're gonna want to, it'll stay on the back side of it. Yep, but you're gonna want to just basically insert it. So, yeah, there you go, you did it. All right, Destin, you got the graphics card installed. Now we need to power it. So look for a 6+2 pin power connector in the back. See if you can find it, folks. Don't make me come back there. No, it's already plugged into the power supply. So weave that through here. So go ahead and just connect that one straight up. There it is. Okay, so that's installed. What else are we looking for here? 24 pin and the 8 pin up top. Cool, it's all black. And the last one is the 8 pin. It's gonna say CPU on it. It's gonna funnel up through this hole up top. Okay, we skipped the wiring because that's, well, boring. And tempered glass time. Okay, back panel secured, and to go ahead and flip it around, let's go ahead and install the front panel, and we will call it a day. All right.
Sweet.
It's so like, the tint is so dark.
That's good.
You can't even see the inside, I mean, without lights in there. So these 4 fans have LEDs, and then so does our cooler. And the front. Yes, yeah, power cable right there. I have big plans for this PC, believe it or not. I plan on overclocking the i3-6100 using the base clock method, which you can still do. Video right here to verify that. It is 4 months old, but I still have computers that are running just fine with the base clock overclock. Still active, so you can check that video out, or you can stay tuned for the next video to follow this one. And in that video, I'll show you how to do it again, just to verify that it is still possible. So if you don't want to buy a K SKU CPU, which is considerably more expensive than the non-K counterpart, then you can opt for either an i3 or an i5 non-K processor and overclock it using this method. There are a few compromises you have to make in order to do that, but in the long run, I think it'll be worth saving the extra dough. I mean, who doesn't want to save dough, right? So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for part 4 of the CPU Core series. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down if you do feel the complete opposite, or if you hate everything about life, be sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned for, well, the 2 videos I just mentioned. This is Science Studio. Thanks for learning with us.